Once upon a time, in a sunny place called California, there were two brothers named Richard and Maurice. Everyone called them Dick and Mac. They had a wonderful idea to make a restaurant where families could enjoy yummy food and have fun together. Dick and Mac started with a little stand where they sold hot dogs. They worked very hard and always tried to make their food yummier and the service faster. They wanted everyone who came to their stand to leave with a big smile. One day, the brothers had a brilliant idea. They thought, why not make a super tasty hamburger that everyone will love? They added crispy fries and cold sweet milkshakes to the menu. Children and their parents loved this yummy meal. Then, a man named Ray Kroc visited their restaurant. He was amazed by the delicious food and how quickly it was served. Ray had a big dream. He thought, what if we could open more restaurants like this so more families can enjoy this yummy food? Dick and Mac liked Ray's idea, and together they started to open more McDonald's restaurants. Soon, there were McDonald's restaurants in many places, not just in California, but all over the world. Children in different countries could now enjoy the tasty hamburgers, crispy fries, and sweet milkshakes. The McDonald's restaurants became known for their big yellow M sign, which looked like golden arches. This sign became a symbol of fun family times and delicious food. The story of McDonald's is not just about hamburgers and fries. It's a story about having a dream and working hard to make it come true. It's about sharing happiness with others, one happy meal at a time. So, whenever you see the big yellow M, remember the story of Dick, Mac, and Ray. They showed us that a small idea can grow into something that brings joy to people all around the world, and they all lived happily ever after, with the golden arches shining bright, reminding us that dreams can come true. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Our next story is about one of the richest men on Earth, Elon Musk, and his fantasies for the technology world.